Our Pro lineup pushes the limits with our most advanced technologies for our users who want the very best iPhone.
iPhone 13 Pro comes in 4 striking finishes: a rich, deep graphite, gorgeous gold, beautiful silver, and this all-new Sierra Blue. As you heard from Hope, A15 Bionic features a CPU with 2 new high-performance cores and 4 new high-efficiency cores, and a faster neural engine, as well as our new ISP, which provides improved noise reduction and tone mapping. The display now supports up to 1,000 nits peak outdoor brightness. That's 25% higher than last year. ProMotion is designed to respond dynamically and match your content. The advanced custom architecture produces fast frame rates when you need them and preserves battery life when you don't. We also optimize iOS to take full advantage of this. For example, when swiping between apps or scrolling, the system adapts the frame rates to precisely match the speed of the user's finger. The result is an incredibly responsive experience that is fast and fluid. This is our biggest camera advancement ever.
Starting with a new 77mm telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a new ultra-wide camera with autofocus and a larger f1.8 aperture with a 92% improvement in low light, and a new wide camera that has a larger f1.5 aperture and 1.9 micron pixels.
iPhone 13 Pro lasts more than 1.5 hours longer in your day than iPhone 12 Pro. And iPhone 13 Pro Max will last more than 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 Pro Max. We redesigned the packaging to eliminate the outer plastic wrap, saving 600 metric tons of plastic. This brings us closer to our goal of completely removing plastic from all of our packaging. So that's iPhone 13 Pro with our most advanced technologies. An all-new camera system with 3 new cameras, ProRes video, cinematic mode, the new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, A15 Bionic with 5-core GPU. Even with all this incredible technology, iPhone 13 Pro still starts at $999, and iPhone 13 Pro Max still starts at $1099. The 1 terabyte joins our 128, 256, and 512 gigabyte storage options.